Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, I hope all are well by the mercy of Allah. Viewers, today I will disclose the writing skills. Dear viewers, what is writing skills? There are 4 language skills: reading, writing, speaking and listening. But writing is one of the most important skills of 4 skills. It is very powerful means of communication. It is the only means of formation that can survive of centuries. It can convey our message far away where we can teach physically. Dear viewers, writing is one of the most important skills of 4 skills. Importance of writing skills. Writing reinforces language that students have learned orally. It allows revision of thoughts and ideas. So there is title sense of missing any information. Viewers, it means of communication of both informal and formal. Writing skills is one of the most important skills. These skills help students to develop their language. I think in our education system, especially based on encourage the writing skills. It has many types, such as example control writing, guided writing, free writing. There are available system of writing. Control writing refers to writing exercise where all are most of the language that the student uses in the exercise provided, and the student normally have to choose appropriately from the option provided by their teacher. Example, coughing, gap filling, writing from a table, information, reordering sentence, etc. It has also merits and advantages. It helps the student develop good writing habits. In this writing, students make fewer mistakes. It's easy to complete in shorter time limits. It builds confidence among the students. I think it has some demerits also. It seems to be mechanical. Guided writing. Guided writing refers to a phrase which relays tightly control in respect of the language the student use. Following the structure of the example, here a student write with maintain guidance. Example, writing from a model, writing from notes, writing using given clues. Dear viewers, it was free writing. 3 base of writing: controlled writing, guided writing and free writing. Free writing means the stress where student can write freely of their own. No words or phrase example given. Students are asked to write of their own offense on a given topic or subject. This helps students develop extended composition skill. They choose their own vocabulary and structure. Example, writing email, taking note from lecture, writing diaries, writing formal or informal letters, writing poems, short stories, novel, writing articles or journals, etc. There are 4 skills to develop our language. I think writing is one of the most important and essential skills of a language. It is a very powerful means of communication. The society is communicative society. Without communication, we cannot lead our life. So, we have have to develop our writing skills also. Our writing skills depend on our using vocabulary. Dear viewers, dear guys, since the writing skill is very important of our communicative life, so we should develop our writing skills. How do we develop our writing skills? In our next post, I will disclose how to develop our writing skills. Thank you, dear viewer. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome to my page.